Go up here and see the platform from the actual top of the platform and see how it looks from above. There's the double diamond. Let's see if it lies down the track. That way. Of course, the train station. Now when train comes this way, and out this way, oh, that way, you'll be able to see and feel the train. It's very heavy. See, down there, they read that sign. CSX, no trespassing. CSX train running through here. It is the weekend, but they're only open on Saturdays and Sundays here. That's weird. The museum is, but the area is not. They're open all the time. So, but thanks for joining me here at the Plant City Robert Walford Railroad Museum, Florida. We got to see a real life train and some train sets and the history of the railroad also. Very fascinating, very fun to look at and see. Subscribe to my channel at SpinV2 and like this video. Definitely like this video if you are a fan of trains and love trains. And let me know down in the comments where I need to go next, or anything else, any other museum that you guys know of, or I have not heard of yet. Leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to go out and see it eventually. But like this video, subscribe to my channel, SpinV2, and we'll see you guys in the future.